Alright, so we're looking at a few things that can help you out if you're new to cryptocurrency and if you're getting into the cryptocurrency space. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to learn the basics. You just need to get yourself knowledgeable, educate yourself. That's the best way to begin, okay? Because getting really knowledgeable in this crypto space is essential if you want to thrive here. Remember, knowledge is power. Secondly, do your research, okay? There are many folks out there claiming to be experts. Meanwhile, they don't know anything. They're just after your money. And if you don't do your homework, you're going to fall prey to them. Everybody's a crypto expert till you give them your money.
I said they don't burn you well. I go come on your teeth just now. Before I go start selling.
Another one is only invest what you can afford to lose, okay? Crypto markets can be very favorable to us most times, which is why we are here, but at times it can be tricky. So it's very, very advisable to invest part of your income, okay? The saying that you shouldn't throw all your eggs in one basket is still very much valid in the crypto space. The last but not the least is to get yourself a coach. Getting yourself a coach is the fastest way to move from a newbie to a pro within the shortest possible time. A coach, a real coach, has been where you are, tried various things, made mistakes, failed, learned from it, and is now where she is or where he or she is currently. So a coach will be the ideal person to guide you on your crypto journey so you would avoid making those same mistakes. Okay, so did you learn something new? Comment your thoughts below. If you have any other thing to add, you can also suggest possible ways for newbies to start up. Till next time.